Welcome back, bird lovers. Today, we're exploring the mysterious and mesmerizing world of nighthawk birds. Known for their incredible flight skills and nocturnal habits, these fascinating birds have so much to offer. Join us as we uncover 50 amazing facts about nighthawk birds that you probably didn't know. Let's dive into the night sky and discover more about these intriguing avians. 1. Nighthawks are part of the nightjar family, Caprimulgidae. 2. Their name nighthawk is a bit misleading, as they are neither hawks nor strictly nocturnal. 3. Nighthawks are primarily crepuscular, active during dusk and dawn. 4. They are known for their erratic, acrobatic flight patterns while hunting. 5. Nighthawks have long, pointed wings and short, slightly forked tails. 6. They have a unique call, often described as a peent sound. 7. Nighthawks feed on flying insects, catching them midair with their wide mouths. 8. They have large eyes and excellent night vision to help them see in low light. 9. Nighthawks are migratory birds, traveling long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. 10. The common nighthawk is found throughout North and South America. 11. Nighthawks are well camouflaged with mottled brown, gray, and white feathers. 12. They are often seen flying over open habitats such as fields, grasslands, and urban areas. 13. Nighthawks can be difficult to spot during the day as they rest on the ground or perched on branches. 14. The term nighthawk is sometimes used to refer to other nightjar species. 15. Nighthawks have a unique flight display called the booming dive, where males dive steeply and create a loud sound with their wings. 16. They have a wide gape surrounded by rictal bristles to help capture insects. 17. Nighthawks are known for their strong, rapid wing beats. 18. They have a distinctive white bar on their wings, visible in flight. 19. Nighthawks lay their eggs directly on the ground without building nests. 20. Female nighthawks typically lay 2 eggs per clutch. 21. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. 22. The incubation period lasts about 18 to 20 days. 23. Nighthawk chicks are precocial and can move around shortly after hatching. 24. They rely on their cryptic coloration to avoid predators. 25. Nighthawks are known for their aerial acrobatics while hunting insects. 26. They often forage in areas with artificial lights which attract insects. 27. Nighthawks are known to migrate in loose flocks. 28. Their migration routes can span thousands of miles. 29. Nighthawks are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, deserts, and wetlands. 30. They are known to be solitary birds outside of the breeding season. 31. Nighthawks have a low, erratic flight style that helps them catch insects. 32. They are often mistaken for bats due to their flight patterns and nocturnal habits. 33. Nighthawks are known to perform wing flashing displays to startle insects into flight.
36. They have a unique behavior called roosting, where they rest on horizontal surfaces during the day. 37. Nighthawks are known to nest on flat rooftops in urban areas. 38. They have adapted well to human-altered landscapes. 39. Nighthawks are often seen near water, where insects are abundant. 40. They have a rapid, fluttering flight with quick changes in direction. 41. Nighthawks are known for their resilience and ability to thrive in various environments. 42. They are often seen performing aerial courtship displays during the breeding season. 43. Nighthawks have a varied diet that includes beetles, moths, and other flying insects. 44. They are known to hunt over water, where insects gather in large numbers. 45. Nighthawks are often heard making their distinctive calls while flying. 46. They have a strong homing instinct and often return to the same nesting sites each year. 47. Nighthawks are known for their silent flight, which helps them catch prey by surprise. 48. They have a unique method of drinking by skimming the surface of water while flying. 49. Nighthawks are known to be highly adaptable and can live in both rural and urban environments. 50. Their scientific name, Cordyles minor, reflects their night flying habits and smaller size compared to other nightjars. And that's our deep dive into the captivating world of nighthawk birds. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible nocturnal hunters. If you found this video interesting and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting wildlife content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.